Yeah, guys, what you are going in my bag? And a mango season now a Christmas, guys. I'm looking at your bag. Come mango. Julie, guys. Julie and Silan. Guys, this is not Jamaica. We in Grenada. You see it, guys? Guys, so Jamaican people lucky. Look on it, guys, me not lie if you tell you. The sweetest Silan mango me ever eat are down here. At the Jamaican lady yard. Me not lie if you tell you. I don't know if a God give him that the blessing there when he plant them seed there. Yo, me not lie, guys, are the sweetest silan me ever eat. And me tell him, and she feel a joke me I make. Look on the mango them, guys. Look on the Julie. Look on the Julie them how them big. Guys, me not lie if you tell you, a lot of mango. No, I go eat them. I go call Bobby and give him couple. Guys, look on my mango them, guys. Guys, I go show you the tree and make you see what I go on, guys. Right now, mango full pan the tree, guys. The mango?
Yeah, this stream in Jamaica.
Okay, that's why they. But silan sweet, mommy, silan they sweet different. Me not lie if you tell you. Yeah, guys, so this is the mango tree. This is the Julie. As you can see, guys, me don't know if you see, but something I eat out some of the mango them pan the tree. Amount of mango pan the tree, guys. When them full, like something come and bite them and just go and left them. You understand me? And then just stay and ripe, drop. The amount of mango me come rake up a ground to the guys. That are the Julie tree. And guys, see the silan tree? Yeah, see piece I top cut out. That are the silan, guys. So guys, I don't know the badness come down, guys. Guys, me not lie, are the sweetest silan. For me, live in Grenada, guys, are the sweetest silan me ever eat. Guys, I'm out. See you in our next video.